Place. Good girl. Get down in here. Here. Come here. Get down. Place. Good. Sit. So, not sure where she's going to sit. I think I may cut these back a little bit. I'm going to plug them with some rubber sealant, and I've got it at work. That way it'll be just a bumper. Here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Yeah, so I think I'll back those up just a little bit. Cut them off. Maybe right here. That'll give her room for her head. Swing back. I was trying to get it to where enough of this would drape down some camo out here, but I don't think I really need it. So yeah, that's the finished product. Be pretty sweet. Can't wait to get some covering on it. Hopefully in a week. Within a week. We'll see. What do you think, girl? Huh? You ready? Huh? You ready to get some birds? You smell all that new stuff? What do you think? I think you're ready. Good girl. Come on. Come on. No? You want to stay in there? Okay.